Hello. Hey, I just want to introduce you to some financing options. Now keep in mind, and I'm not being boastful, but I've been doing real estate and working with countless vendors, title companies, lenders, etc. for almost 23 years now. And I just want to share with you some financing options that you might find helpful. And if you're planning on financing your home investment, we'll need a pre-qualification letter from your lender to submit with any offers that we have. Now, I can work with your loan officer in getting those pre-qualification letters amended to meet the price point of our offer. That's not a problem, but we'll need one up front, and that will entail you calling lender of choice, preferably a mortgage broker, and I'll explain why in a second, but we will need that up front because our Arizona purchase contract requires that we submit that pre-qualification letter with our offer. Okay. Now, over time, my fellow realtors and I, we've become familiar with lenders who close loans for our clients, as well as those who waste our time and break the hearts of our clients because they couldn't close the loan for whatever reason. Now, that being said, I want to let you know your offer appears much more favorable to the seller if you'll use any of the following types of mortgage providers, and you may use whomever you want, but I merely wanted to help you with these recommendations. For example, a bank can do loans, a credit union can do home mortgages as well, but you're going to want to use the services of a mortgage broker. Now, why is that? That's because some lending institutions, they pay their employees every other week, regardless of whether they close a loan or not. While a mortgage broker doesn't get to eat, make their own mortgage payments or car payments, etc., if they don't close the loan. So I'm sure you can tell me who will work harder for you. Now, my team's preferred lender is Mark David of Clearview Lending, and here's his phone number. I have found Mark to be very prompt in his communication. Okay, he puts his clients above everything else, as do I. And so we've had a great synergy and helping all of our clients. He's honest, knowledgeable, and his interest rates are very competitive. I just recently had a client get approved for a mortgage with another lender of their choice that I didn't know they were talking to up front, which is fine. And that interest rate came back in excess of 7%. While Mark qualified the same guy, same scenario, same purchasing power for 5.9%. Okay, that can give you a lot more buying power. So I would recommend giving Mark David a call, tell him I sent you, suggested that you call him, and watch him work his magic on your behalf. All right, look forward to working with you. Hope you found this of value.